What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We got another car here in the garage for us to work on today. It's a pretty cool car, actually. It's a 2008 Chevy Blazer SS. Really clean, really nice car. The person that owns it just purchased it, actually. Actually, when he was purchasing it, he sent me a picture of the dent here. I'll show you the dent. You can see it's a pretty sharp crease on the hatch there, one up there and one over the body line right there. But he sent me a picture of it before he was buying it and was, you know, just asking me what I thought if I could do it. In the picture, it didn't look this deep, so it is really deep, and there is a little paint scarring like in the center of the dent. I don't know if this could pick it up, but I think we'll be able to do something with it. This year, the 08, just for the year of it and everything in the Chevy, the paint does like to crack on these. So we're gonna take this really slow. We got the heat gun all set up, plugged in, so we'll keep heating it up while we work it. I'm putting a hole inside the door jamb there. He asked if I wanted the panel off. It didn't really matter. Something like this, when it's that sharp, I would like to have, you know, the tool I want on it to really work it right. So I told him I'd rather just pop a hole. He was fine with that. So we're going to do that and start working it. So let's see how this thing turns out. All right, we are all finished up with this one. It came out really nice. We'll walk you through it here. You could see that one over that body line came out really nice. The one up top, that came out nice too. Maybe a tiny, tiny little shimmer there, but all in all, that came out really nice. It was sharp, so we took our time, heated it up. Like I said, this year car, the paint likes to crack on them. So we made sure it was nice and warm and pliable, heated it up. The tool I used was just ultra straight rod here, this one here. And I just took off the rubber tip and used that, the metal tip that's just on the rod itself. That way I could really pinpoint where we had to touch on the dent and you know, fine tune it that way. So, but it came out nice. I think he's gonna be happy with it. Again, he just bought the vehicle, so he's probably excited to get it back and enjoy it. So we'll get this car back to him, move on to the next one, and we'll catch you next time.